The eufy S1 HydroJet Robot Vacuum offers an innovative cleaning experience with its dual water reservoir system that keeps the mop continuously clean and ready for efficient mopping. Its advanced UniClean Station automates multiple tasks like emptying, washing, and drying, providing a seamless cleaning routine with minimal user intervention. With an impressive 8,000 Pascal suction power, this vacuum efficiently cleans deep-seated dust and debris from both hard floors and carpets, reducing the need for manual maintenance. The sleek and modern design of the S1 allows it to clean hard-to-reach corners and edges with ease, ensuring a thorough clean throughout your home. This robot vacuum's stylish and compact build not only enhances its functionality, but also adds a touch of elegance to any living space. Equipped with AI technology, the S1 can recognize and avoid over 100 obstacles, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted cleaning experience.